Hello and welcome to the How It Works series from Servers.com. Today we'll show you how to manage your Kubernetes cluster in the customer portal. We'll cover adding and removing worker nodes as well as cancelling a cluster. Let's get started. First, let's add a new worker node to our cluster. Start by navigating to the left-hand menu and clicking on Kubernetes. Then select the cluster you want to add a node to. In the Cluster Details page, click on Add Node. Here you can select and configure the dedicated server that will act as your worker node. Once you've made your selections, click Add and then click Buy Now. The node will now be added to your cluster. Next, let's remove a worker node from the cluster. Again, go to Kubernetes in the left-hand menu and select your cluster. In the Cluster Details, tick the checkbox next to the node you want to remove, and then click Remove Nodes. A confirmation window will appear. Click Continue, then enter your password and click Continue again to confirm. The node will now be removed from your cluster. Keep in mind that the released servers will remain in your account under dedicated servers and will continue to be billed until manually cancelled. You can reuse these servers by reinstalling the operating system. You can remove worker nodes from a cluster at any time in the customer portal. Finally, let's look at how to cancel a cluster. Before proceeding, make sure all your running containers, workloads, persistent volumes, and networking configurations are properly backed up or migrated. Once cancelled, the cluster and all associated resources will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. To cancel a cluster, go to the Kubernetes section in the left-hand menu, select your cluster and click Cancel Service in the Services section. When the process is complete, your cluster will be cancelled. The servers released from the cluster will still appear in your account and will be billed as regular dedicated servers until manually cancelled. And that's it. If you have any questions or queries, visit the support page on our website at servers.com/contact us. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos in the How It Works series from Servers.com. Thanks for watching.